In this next example, we're going to look at a crank roller. It's similar to a crank slider, but we have a link here that's rolling without slip. Okay, and so as before, we're going to number all our links. So we have 4 links, and so our circle diagram will have 4 marks again. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can number the instant centers associated with the kinematic pairs. We'll have 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and the instant center for this rolling pair will be right at the point of contact. And so that'll be 1, 4. Okay. So our circle diagram looks similar to some of the ones we've seen in the past. And so a very similar plan will work in order to solve it. So we can find 1, 3 by solving, well, we'll use lines 1, 2, 3 and lines 1, 4, 3. And this has points 1, 2, and 2, 3 that we already know that are the solid lines. And this one has points 1, 4, and 3, 4 that we already know that are solid lines. Okay, so we've made our plan for finding 1, 3, and now we work it. So we made the plan going from left to right. We're going to work it going from right to left. And so we're going to start out and find those points 1, 2, and 2, 3. Connect those to get us our line 1, 2, 3. We next want to find 1, 4, 3, and so here's what we have for that one. So we have instant center 1, 3 right there, and we can make that line solid. Next thing we'll do is we'll do 2, 4, and we'll look at that connection right there. And it may seem for a 4 bar that there really isn't much need for the circle diagram. It gets much more useful for a 5 or 6 bar that have some problems that have more links, and we'll see examples of that in a little bit. And so the first line we want to find is 1, 2, 4, and the second one is 2, 3, 4. And so we already have lines, or we already have 1, 4, and 1, 2, and we'll use those to find the line. And then 2, 3, and 3, 4 will give us this other line. So I need 2 points to find a line. I need 2 lines to find an instant center. And so it comes out that I need 4 points to find a new point. So, all right. Let's go, and 1, 2, and 1, 4 are right here. And 2, 3, and 3, 4 are right here. Now, what we're going to find is those lines are very nearly parallel. They're not parallel. They're converging slightly over on this side, but very slowly. Okay, and so there's no way I'm going to get that on a piece of paper. So what I'll have to do is say 2, 4 at intersection. Okay, and that happens. Sometimes the instant centers shoot a long ways off the page. I try to, for testing purposes, find problems that are devised problems that don't do that. but it sure can happen. There's no physical reason why it can't happen.